everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. So in this video we're gonna make another DIY hair mask for dry, damaged, color treated, chemically treated hair, basically hair that feels damaged to touch. And for that hair mask we're gonna use only 2 ingredients. So if you want to know how to make that hair mask, then continue watching.
So the star ingredient of our DIY hair mask is mayonnaise. I'm using veg mayonnaise. You can use the non-veg variant as well. So here I have some mayonnaise with me, and with that I'm gonna add a little bit of the parachute aloe vera coconut oil. I'm adding the oil just to make the consistency of the mayonnaise a little bit lighter so that it would be easier for me to apply it on my hair. And next I'm gonna mix them well. And I must tell you that the smell is not good, so I would highly recommend you to do an ACV rinse after this. So here I have the mayonnaise with me, and I'm gonna apply it only on the ends of my hair. I'm not gonna apply it all along the length of my hair because it's my first time using mayonnaise as a hair mask for my hair, and I don't know how many washes or rinses it would take me to get rid of the smell. So I would recommend you to, if you are using mayonnaise for the first time, stick with the ends of your hair and then gradually go with applying it all over your hair. So let's quickly talk about why we should use mayonnaise as a hair mask. So mayonnaise contains egg yolk, lemon, vinegar, salt, along with some other nourishing oils. The non-veg variant and the veg one, which I'm using right here, contains soybean oil with the other ingredients and some other nourishing oils as well. So being rich in amino acid, mayonnaise is really nourishing for dry, damaged, frizzy hair. And if you have color treated or chemically treated hair, then mayonnaise is just the perfect hair mask for you because it helps to shut the open hair cuticles and it makes the hair to appear softer and smoother. Also, you can use mayonnaise on your scalp as well if you have dandruff problem or any other scalp issues, because mayonnaise not only eliminates the vinegar in mayonnaise not only eliminates the dandruff, but also it suits the scalp by balancing the pH level. So it is a multitasker.
So after keeping the mask on my hair for 1.5 hours, I washed my hair with shampoo and I rinsed it with apple cider vinegar. I skipped on the conditioner, and this is the portion basically where I did apply the hair mask, and it feels super soft as if I have applied conditioner, which I didn't. So this mask is basically a go for me, and I would definitely try it again. Let me know in the comments down below if you have used mayonnaise for your hair before, or if you would like to give this hair mask a try. And also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.